Welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. We have 3 tarot cards and 1 angel answer card. The Two of Cups. I love these cards this week. The Justice card and the Lovers card. What amazing energies. And also the angel answer card. Perfect timing. Just see that there. Isn't it lovely? All right, so interestingly, let's hold both of these up at the same time and have a look at these. The Two of Cups and the Lovers card. Now, well, first of all, we've got to say love could be in the air this week for so many, different scenarios. Yes, whether it's you're looking for romance, but it could just be a very loving week with people that you know already in your life. But it could be other people coming into your life. And I just am feeling a lot of love for the week. There's lots of love. Isn't that interesting? So let's have a look. The Two of Cups. Now, this may be a choice. Sometimes this can talk about a choice or a decision, but it can be some sort of reconciliation or two people coming back together. This can talk about a union as well. So we're overlapping a little bit here, but that's fine. Now, I've got to hold them both up because in both cards, you've got the angels in here. So this represents whatever word you want to use, whether it's angels or spiritual guides or archangels or light beings or universe or God, doesn't matter, it's all the same thing. This means that this beautiful, wonderful overall sort of one consciousness energy is overseeing this coming together, whether it's a brand new meeting or whether it's a reconciliation, because this can sometimes mean that, where perhaps if there's a relationship that's been a little bit difficult or awkward or stressful, this talks about a coming together, a meeting of minds, a reconnection. It could be an understanding, because you see the cups there, that's about emotion and love, but you're meeting equally. So this is lovely, isn't it? I really like that. There could also be gifts of love within this week, I feel, as well. So offers of love, or offers or invitations or information or something happening, but it's coming from the heart. There's a lot of heart energy this week, guys. I need to jump to the Lovers because this is another thing that can also signal choices and decisions. We've talked about that, but it can be a coming together, a union, but a powerful, soulful union. It could be yourself. Now, I'm just thinking about what we were talking about the last couple of weeks, where you're really trying to adjust the path you're on, you adjust the course. So it could be that you coming back to yourself on a completely different level. Maybe you felt a bit lost, a bit not yourself, not really right. Now something happens this week, and boy, is it perfect timing. Whatever happens this week, it's bang on time. And you see the beauty and the perfection in the timing. But yeah, yes, you can, it might be someone brand new coming into your life. But you will feel like you know them. For some of you, you're going to feel that. You're going to think, well, I know I haven't met you in this life, but I feel like I know you. That deep soul connection. So it could be some sort of, if you believe in past lives, it could be some of that going on this week as well. Your soul group, when you just meet someone, you think, I don't know how, but I just connect with you on such a deep and profound level. So lots of that stuff going on this week as well for some of you. Yeah, very powerful. But look what's in between. And I love how I picked them because it was the Two of Cups, the Justice right in the middle, and the Lovers. So Justice, some of you, that's all you need to hear. Getting justice this week. So whether that is the judgment you've been waiting for, the decision. There could be some sort of green light attached to this, getting the answer that you've waited for, those sorts of things. And perfect timing. Now, some of you will be thinking, well, I was hoping for it before now, but it feels as though as things unfold with this justice, you will realise why it happened this week. You know, sometimes we don't realise till after the event, and we look back and we say, I totally and completely understand now why that had to happen in that way, and it happened on that week. So, for some of you, this is absolutely perfect. This can also talk about balance as well. And where we've got the Lovers and the Two of Cups, this might be you coming back to yourself, getting yourself back on track, feeling good, bringing some harmony and equilibrium back into your life, your world, maybe even some of the relationships as well. So that's definitely for some of you. If any relationships have been a bit strained, a bit difficult, a bit awkward, I just feel that it's all going to kind of, like for many of you, smooth out and even out this week. Perfect timing, they keep saying. Anything else with this? Yeah, well, it could be to do with any connections to the legal system. So legal system, they're just interrupting. I just realised this week is this week? No, that's okay. That's fine. I was just wondering, I was thinking about where we are with the dates. I don't know, who am I? Where are we? With the love as well. But yeah, love is, yeah, okay, that's fine. It's all right. I'm sorry. I'm having lots of conversations. Anyway, back to the reading. This can relate to legalities and things like accountants, lawyers, solicitors, barristers, that sort of thing. So there could be some connections there this week for some of you. But this says that you're going to get a fair and just outcome. This is very, very positive, especially when it's linked to the perfect timing card, which it is, and the Two of Cups and the Lovers card. They're just giving me some other things just for myself there. So thank you, universe. I hope it's a really good week, and thank you so much for watching.